Your tongue's not pointed. It's too rounded. Not good.
Not good. I can float it. Oh, I'm exhausted, boys. I'm fucking exhausted. My brain is mush. Look at this. Look at my disgusting skin. Like, look how big this pimple is. That's like disgusting. I needed some foundation to hide that shit. But we don't got that. We can use this. We can use that. We're gonna get the drip on right now. We're getting a little drippy. So we got this, boys. We gotta become like the ultimate fucking trap for content views. This is gonna be terrible. I'm like the worst when it comes to eyeliner. Oh, that looks terrible. That looks absolute ass. I don't know how girls do this shit. They're cracked, my guy. And we kind of do like the eye part. Oh my god, I look like a crack whore. Oh no, that's bad. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god, I made it look better. It kind of made it look better. How is that possible? And I guess we can kind of just add like the tip to it then, right? Dude, I think we found the new meta. Based. Okay, there we go. Okay, now this is for the other eye. Dude, I cannot do it with my left hand. This side looks really bad. Let me remove that. Yo, practice makes perfect, right, guys? Let's try this again. I'm not getting the right length. Are they the same length? Am I looking submissive and breedable yet, guys? As the viewers might say. I think I smudged the left one. Like I smudged the smaller one perfectly. It's the thinner one. I kind of gotta smudge it though to make it look like the other one. So I did last time. I can't make them look like the same ones. I'm upset because it doesn't have to be perfect. Yeah, that does not look equal at all. I don't know if females do this shit. Literally the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. I can get like one. The first one's perfect. Okay, that's like the best ever done. So I think that's like a W. That's a W in my books. Thanks, Boyd. I'm trying. I'm working on it. Okay, let's try the other eye again. I cannot do it. That looks okay. What happened to my eyes? I got punched. I got two black eyes now. Oh god, welcome guys. Crack whore here. Yeah, I gotta redo that so bad. This eye's decent. This one bad. We'll get that smoky eye look. What are you doing? What makes me happy? What are you doing? I don't know how I got this eye so well. This eye so well. This eye's like fucking terrible. I do not know how to use blush. Work in progress, guys. Work in progress. Now, if only we could do this eye. If only. I have no idea how to use eyeshadow. I'm not gonna try that. Not gonna try that. How's that? They're a little scuffed. Now we gotta do this side. We can't keep pushing it off. We need to get it done. Pretty girl any percent. I'm speedrunning this shit. Do I just shake it? I don't know if that works. Do I just shake it? Should there be more? I drew eyeliner on the top of this, so it should have more like ink. Ah, I don't have my headphones on, so I didn't hear that. I saw it though. Ah, you got me. It's the thought that counts, right? That's better. Kinda. Kind of a cope, but whatever. Whatever. That looks pretty good. You know what? It's not equal. It looks a lot cleaner though. This one's more bold. This one's cleaner. I should have added the hearts on this side. Yeah, this one's pretty good. This one's pretty good. You know what? That's a W. That's a W in my books. I'm really happy with this. I'm really happy on that. This one, I love this eye so much better. Guys, your favorite crack slut here. Oh my lord. God, the hair is an issue. Doesn't match the makeup. Oh well. Luckily, we have fake hair for that, guys. Oh god. Let's see if we make this look good. I have many questions. What is it? I don't have many answers. Girl gamer. Time to hide my face. We're going undercover, guys. We're going undercover. Alpha. Wait. Wait. Femboy Friday? Is that good, boys? A whoa? A whoa? God, welcome, guys. You local crack whore here. Crack whore Femboy Friday. Your favorite. Do we go catfish now?